That's right, history is repeating itself. As we warned here in this channel last week, we see the main indices and several stocks materializing important bullish reversal signals. And the last time we saw this very same structure in the SPY, it simply rose more than 36%. That's correct, SPY 36%. So in this video, we will talk about the technical patterns that have kept the trend going, what could happen to frustrate this bullish case, alright, because nothing is 100% accurate over here, and of course, we're going to study several stocks together, always looking at the technical evidence, without bias and guesswork, just strategy. My name is Nathan. I'm a trader who likes to share my ideas here on my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Now, as we can see here, SPY is breaking a very important resistance level, $554, the previous top level over here, which is also the technical target of this V-shaped recovery pattern over here. Now we are breaking this key point, suggesting more upside for SPY. Its next technical resistance level is at $565.16, the previous all-time high. What's more, we see an open gap over here. Remember guys, gaps work as magnets for the price when it reverses. Now, since the price has technically reversed, this gap over here is also another technical target. Therefore, we see a very easy case for the SPY to retest the all-time high again, possibly breaking it. Similarly, we see the QQQ also breaking the previous resistance level of this V-shaped recovery. It has two more open gaps over here above the price. They're all targets, but the next meaningful resistance level on QQQ is the all-time high, $503.52. Now, it is very interesting to see these bullish chart structures over here because the last time we saw a crystal clear V-shaped recovery on SPY, it was in October last year. We saw this V-shaped recovery over here. It did struggle to break the previous resistance level, but by the time SPY broke this key point, it simply exploded more than 36% after the breakout of the resistance level of its V-shaped recovery. Therefore, you may ask, but Nathan, right now we are breaking the resistance level, so could SPY materialize another bullish leg? Could SPY break the previous all-time high and seek, I don't know, higher levels? Yes, you are totally correct. This is a very realistic bullish case to work with right here, right now. What could potentially frustrate this idea, Nathan? If we see a crystal clear top signal materialized over here. Right now, guys, honestly, do you see a top signal? No. Of course not. We only see another bullish candlestick pattern today, breaking the previous resistance level, and right now we are on the verge of closing the price above this key point over here. This is a very solid bullish reaction. Now, if we see a crystal clear bearish reversal chart structure on the 1-hour chart, for instance, lower highs, lower lows, or a possible bearish candlestick pattern over here closing below the 554, then okay, then we're gonna see a possible top signal suggesting another pullback on the daily chart. Nathan, what kind of bearish candlestick you would expect to see over here in order for SPY to materialize a pullback? Guys, it could be many. There are many possibilities over here, but if you want to learn more about candlestick and chart patterns, just take a look at my ebook about technical analysis. It is free. It's for free for you to use to learn our method, our trading style over here. Just take a look at our website and join the 5% project for free. You can test our service for free for 7 days. Meanwhile, you can download our ebook and start learning. See how our channel works, all right? See how we work over here in this crazy market every single day. You're gonna learn with us every single day, and then you see for yourself if you like our service. Either way, you can download our ebook for free, all right? It is for you to learn. It is a gift from the Finance Hydra channel for you. Now, what's interesting is that even if we see a pullback over here on SPY, it could simply correct all the way down to the 21 EMA on the daily chart, and that's it, all right? The bullish bias would still persist. SPY would still be in bullish territory. Any pullback to the 21 EMA, or maybe even to just close this gap over here, should be considered just another harmless, normal, expected pullback and another possible buying opportunity, because always buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels, buy near support levels, all right? This is how we like to work here in this channel. It is just like the QQQ, all right? QQQ made a bullish reaction over here after closing this gap. Right now, it is just going up. The risk-reward ratio is not that good because we are near resistance levels. Nathan, it is very easy for you to say this right here, right now. Well, on our Telegram channel, I gave you guys the buy signal here on QQQ and many other stocks. You know what? Instead of just saying, let me share with you guys the charts that I use to send you guys our signals. See, QQQ, the blue line here was the trigger point, the red line was the stop loss, because, well, always work with stop loss. If you don't know where your stop loss is, do not trade. QQQ triggered a bullish pivot point on the 1 hour chart, bullish reaction after closing this gap over here. Our first technical target was $575. This target was broken today. AMD, another stock that we're gonna analyze here in this video, triggered a crystal clear bullish pivot point on the 1 hour chart after a very nice bullish reaction on the weekly chart over here. Previous top level acting as a support level. Right now, AMD hit our target today. Micron, another very good stock, hit our target today. Very good bullish candlestick pattern, triple bottom on the 1 hour chart, technical bottom signal on the daily chart over here just after closing another gap. Micron broke our target last week. Some stocks have yet to hit our target, like Carvana, for instance. Ignition bar above the support line of this ascending channel. Now it is going up, let me see. It triggered our signal over here. It is going up roughly 12% in 2 weeks. We have yet to see Carvana at 170, but we are heading there. As long as we don't see any crystal clear top signal, the bullish case will persist. Therefore, if you want to have access to these exclusive signals, premium analysis, technically based, join the 5% project. The link to our website is in the video's description, all right? Now, Nvidia is another very good stock that is performing insanely well. It is breaking all of its previous resistance levels. It is heading towards our next technical target, which is around this previous top over here, 136. There is not a single top signal. However, it is going to report earnings in 9 days. Therefore, we gotta watch out. Theoretically speaking, any pullback to the 21 EMA or maybe to the 120 over here could be just another harmless pullback. Any bullish reaction around a support level should be considered just another buying opportunity. Everything is going according to the plan here on Nvidia. Tesla is another very promising stock. It is heading towards our next technical resistance level, $233. We see another open gap over here, and as I told you guys, gaps work as magnets for the price when a reversal occurs. Now, Tesla did reverse the trend. It is right now in bullish territory again, trading above the 21 EMA on the daily chart. Now, 233, that's a very important resistance level on the daily chart. Meanwhile, the 265 is Tesla's main nemesis over here, long-term speaking. If you are a long-term investor, for instance, this is the key point you want to see Tesla breaking in order to materialize a very good and promising bullish reaction. Maybe possibly to break the $300 again. What's more, if Tesla actually breaks this key point over here, we're gonna see Tesla making higher highs, higher lows on the weekly chart. Therefore, it is gonna be a very very interesting resistance level to work with in the next few weeks. Meanwhile, mid-term speaking on the daily chart, Tesla is still bullish. It is still maintaining the bullish bias. There is not a single top signal. If we see one, well, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel every single day. Therefore, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, all right? Because again, I'm here every single day talking about many stocks. Meanwhile, AMD has reached this crystal clear resistance level 153, and it is trying to break this key point, just like the SPY, just like the QQQ. AMD did something like a V-shaped recovery over here. We see a short-term bullish pivot point on the 1-hour chart, but overall speaking, we can consider this a V-shaped recovery. By breaking the $153, well, it's gonna seek its next gap around 174. We are already in bullish territory. We don't see any top signal. If we see one, okay, maybe we're gonna see a pullback next, but so far, as of today, there is not a single top signal. We see Palantir breaking the previous resistance level at 31.34, which was the previous gap resistance level over here. This gap from February 2021. All right, Palantir finally closed this gap over here. Now, what's Palantir's next resistance level is the all-time high, $45. All right, so far there is not a single technical evidence suggesting that Palantir is not going to seek that key point. Now, this one over here is personally on my radar, all right? It is a stock that is on my radar right now at this moment. Super microcomputer, it is struggling to break the 21 EMA, but guys, if we do break this resistance level, we're gonna enter bullish territory again, and we could easily seek higher levels, especially because super microcomputer is making a very solid bullish reaction on the weekly chart. It has more upside left. It could easily at least retest the 21 EMA on the weekly chart again, meaning it could go up more than $100 from here. Therefore, I'm paying extra attention on super microcomputer. We see a very sharp drop, but by breaking this resistance level over here, by breaking the 21 EMA along with the 636 area, resistance area, we could break the previous resistance level of this V-shaped recovery as well. Many stocks are performing this pattern. Therefore, this one is a quite promising one. It is a very volatile stock. I will keep my eyes on this. And remember, for more ideas, insights, and strategies, subscribe to this channel. Click the like button to support me. Your support's much appreciated. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.